Changing your life through micro changes in lifestyle involves making small, incremental adjustments that can lead to significant improvements over time. Imagine you're trying to climb a mountain. You could attempt to scale it in one giant leap, but chances are, you'd quickly become exhausted and fall back down. A more sustainable approach is to take small, steady steps, gradually gaining altitude. This philosophy applies perfectly to personal growth. Changing your life doesn't require a dramatic overhaul. Instead, it's about embracing the power of micro changes, small, incremental adjustments that, when consistently applied, can lead to significant transformations. 1. Start with a vision. Begin by identifying areas in your life you'd like to improve. Perhaps you want to enhance your physical health, boost your productivity, cultivate more meaningful relationships, or improve your financial well-being. 2. Break it down. Instead of setting lofty, overwhelming goals, like get in shape, break them down into tiny, manageable steps. For example, instead of exercise more, aim for walk for 10 minutes every morning. 3. Build a routine. Incorporate these micro changes into your daily routine. If you want to drink more water, keep a water bottle by your bed and sip from it first thing in the morning. If you're aiming to read more, dedicate 15 minutes before bed to reading a few pages. 4. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use a habit tracking app to monitor your progress. Celebrating small victories, like consistently waking up 15 minutes earlier, reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. 5. Be patient and persistent. Change takes time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. If you miss a day of exercise, don't let it derail your entire plan. Simply get back on track the next day. 6. Gradually increase intensity. Once a micro change becomes a habit, gradually increase its intensity or frequency. For example, if you're successfully walking 10 minutes each day, increase it to 15 minutes. 7. Focus on mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset, believe in your ability to change and grow. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you're struggling to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Instead of drastically altering your bedtime, start with a small, achievable change. Go to bed 15 minutes earlier each night for a week. This seemingly insignificant adjustment can gradually shift your sleep-wake cycle without feeling overwhelming. Remember, the key to success lies in consistency and patience. By embracing the power of micro changes, you can achieve lasting, meaningful transformations in your life, one small step at a time.